Hey guys, Myles and Giles from Mindful Chef, and we're back with another one of our 5-minute meals. And today it's going to be a vegetarian lasagna with aubergine and pesto. Not only is this going to be the most healthy lasagna you've ever eaten, but it's also going to be the most delicious and quickest too. Okay, so 5 minutes on the clock. Gilo, you ready?
I'm ready, mate.
Okay, so we're going to start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Right, I'm going to get a pan on and get going. So, healthy version of our lasagna is going to be using aubergine layers instead of traditional pasta layers. So
ditch those refined carbs.
Exactly, really good if you don't want to eat gluten or you are a celiac, then taste this because I guarantee you it will taste amazing. So you can use an oven for these.
Nearly took off my finger.
Today,
those are astute, we're watching that.
We are simply going to use we're going to fry off the aubergine. Okay, so get that one going, get some oil on there too. That will go. Right, Gilo is just going to dice up some onion for us and also some carrot as well, which is going to add the sort of real sort of filler for this dish, along with the cannellini beans. Right, I'll get that one there for you. There you go. How you doing? Good?
Onion, ready to go?
Get that in.
There you go, mate.
Thank you.
Slice it off.
You can crack on with the carrot as well.
Right, so we're just gonna get these carrots, slice them lengthways, always have a good knife, very important.
Good knife, really makes a difference.
And then we're just gonna do them again lengthways like that, like so.
Okay, we're also gonna add a little bit of seasoning to the aubergine layers as well.
That gives you some quarters to work with here, and then just go in ever so gently, just nice thin pieces. Gives you a load of carrot to work with. We'll get that in the pan.
Right, I'm gonna get the cannellini beans in as well. There we go. So I'll help you out here.
Right.
Get those
Excuse
in.
me.
Sorry. Just do a little dance at the back. There you go.
So we've got 1 minute 50 gone so far.
Okay, so
right. Stir those up. There we go.
This is one of our vegan dishes, so we don't have any meat, but you are going to get that protein element from the cannellini beans. You also got a load of great
seasoning,
dietary fibre from the carrots, from the cannellini beans as well, and also obviously the aubergine too.
2 minute 10, Milo. 2 minute 10.
Here you go, Gilo. Let's get these in.
Stick them in. As you can see, rogue carrot over here, mate.
Sorry.
As you can see, 3 different types of veg and beans in there already. Sticking the passata.
So we're going to do about 200 grams of passata for one person sort of portion.
There we go.
Should be good enough.
And we'll also add some balsamic vinegar.
Here he is. Come on.
Just stick a little bit in.
The old Gilo, I didn't
Would you want a hot roll? Here we go.
There we go. Much better.
Use that acidity just to cut through the sweetness of the passata. Little knowledge for you there, mate.
Great. Okay, so today we have got, I'm a bit upset with Giles. He didn't bring me basil leaves, so we've had to substitute in some shop-bought pesto. Really easy to make some pesto though. A little bit of garlic, some olive oil, and some pine nuts, like here. Chop them up really finely, get them into a bowl, scoop it around, good to go.
Where are our
Tastes
tongs?
so much better
Milo?
as
Where are our
well.
tongs?
I think I tossed them somewhere earlier.
He's just totally lost it.
Flip those over again for me, Gilo. Good man.
There we go. Aubergine sheets shouldn't take long at all. You can put them in an oven. Don't know whether you said that earlier, Milo, but basically you can fry them like this, put them in an oven. Do not take long. Make sure they've got enough olive oil. Just keep them going.
Also just going to
add a little bit of flavour as well.
With a nice little bit of rocket, you know, on the side. Got a really great taste to it, rocket, doesn't it? Really strong as well, yeah, peppery. Add some pine nuts on top.
Keep this going. You want to get the carrots in as early as possible so they go soft early doors. So we've done 3 minutes 57, right.
Okay, good. I'm also...
Are you ready, Milo?
Oh,
he's gone rogue.
I'm a big fan of just getting some lime onto the sort of salad.
It's all about citrus. Citrus zing to the salad. Oh, loves it.
Look at that, there we go.
The zing. The zing, mate. Always bring the zing into it.
Right. It's all about the zing.
4 minutes 10. Quit the yabbering.
Right, let's go. Right, okay. So, aubergine sheets look good.
Here we
go. Get them down.
First
so all you're going to do, aubergine sheet down, layer it up with your filling.
35 seconds, mate.
35 seconds. Right, little bit of pesto. Just put it on the top.
Next sheet.
Yep, go.
There we go.
Next layer.
It's looking good. We'll just turn this one off.
Right, Gilo, go again. You're gonna have to excuse the presentation.
Next sheet. Fantastic presentation, mate. Don't put yourself down.
People have been talking to us
15
about
seconds.
these 5
15
minutes.
seconds. 15
and
seconds.
not quite getting them in, so.
Last one. Go on,
Okay,
get it
hold
on. 10, 9,
There you
8, 7. Oh!
And I'm just gonna throw some more on top.
Because he's greedy.
Gilo, hit the timer, hit the timer.
And we're done. 5 minutes exactly, little sprinkle of pine nuts, and we are there. Voila.
There you go, there you have it. Excuse the presentation, but look, there you go, your vegetarian aubergine and pesto lasagna. Bit like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, it's coming over.
Is that an absolute shocker there?
And there you have it, another one of our 5-minute videos. You know, that's our vegetarian aubergine pesto lasagna. I'm gonna get tucked in because I'm really excited about this one. Yeah.
What is that knife?
That is
ridiculous.
Bring a knife to the party.
Do you want to cut me some of that?
There you go. Super easy, super quick, and super healthy. Don't forget to subscribe. We're uploading videos weekly, loads more just like this. Oh, now you're good.
Oh.
I'm gonna take this myself. Thank you.
Genuinely. You've actually done quite well with that, Myles.
Thank you.
Don't forget your greens, mate.
Charlie, look, I'm back. I need to show you my present. Hold the bottom.
Mate, it's all in the execution. It's all in the execution, mate. Do you want to roll again? Can we cut? Can we cut?